Gregory Targhee 45-litre ski touring backpack. It also comes in a 32-litre option as well. So it's fully featured. So as you can see, it has a thermo molded back panel here, which is snow shedding. It has this super neat compartment here in the back here. Also has a hydration port facility, which is completely covered. So that you have a hydration port facility there. Plenty of storage space in the lid, top lid. You also have the A-frame here for your skis. It's a wide A-frame. So again, compartment for stowage under the lid. It's a floating lid as well. So really wide mouth opening in the top here. And as I said, 45 litres of storage space. And then of course you have your ski helmet compatible, this is also, you can stow this away in terms of the actual stretch mesh, and really kind of, you know, bomb-proof nylon fabric. The solar yellow is a specific European colour, so it's only available in Europe. You also have other colours, navy and black, as well.